Alright, so boom, it's been a while, so it's only right that we take a step into the street beef scrapyard and take a look at their top 5 knockouts. Up first, we got HighSpeed taking on FairPlay, who came out of retirement for this battle.
You missed me!
Looks like HighSpeed been studying. He's tapping the same buttons FairPlay is.
Hiya! Oh, I missed!
Coke and kick!
You're simply too weak for me.
My turn!
Daily double.
Come here!
Ejectocito, cuz!
FairPlay's mouthpiece got evicted.
Come here!
Finish him!
FairPlay fused this man's chin with his Adam's apple at high speed. Had mans falling to the ground like a roach that got sprayed with Raid. Converted that boy to Christianity. Look at him paying tribute to Jesus. Crucify that boy. Mans thought that weak 2-piece that ejected the mouthpiece was gonna lead him to victory. But all it did was activate FairPlay's Zenkai boost.
Falcon punch!
You done fucked up, you know that, don't you?
Die!
Game over.
Up next, it's RoboCop versus Flex.
Here I go! Excuse me, bitch?
Something's wrong with RoboCop's GPS. He can't seem to find his target. To make matters worse, he doesn't know how to work the radio. Funk Flex is right in front of him, but he can't find Hot 97.
Jesus Christ, son, you better get your ass serious.
Finish him!
That's called motherfucking bars, you know nothing about that.
Funk Flex hit RoboCop with a right hand so hard he was seeing Clarence Boddicker when he woke up. Look how limp his body went. Erectile dysfunction in a human form. Laid out like an unused nail clipper underneath your bed set. At first, I thought Funk Flex's controller glitched, because why did his left arm just stay out there? Little did we know it was the Genjutsu to catch RoboCop off guard. Rumor has it after this defeat, looks like the government truly might defund the police. RoboCop's not gonna have a pension. To make matters worse, his jaw might be wired shut. How is he gonna eat his HelloFresh?
And now a word from our sponsors.
Wait a minute, I know you've got New Year's goals, and HelloFresh is here to help you achieve them. Skip the grocery store and take control of your time and budget with delicious recipes delivered right to your door. HelloFresh's Festive Fare collection features limited time recipes made with seasonal produce and premium proteins, so you can get out of the post-holiday slump with these elevated winter classics. They've got fast and fresh recipes featuring robust flavors and filling portions that are ready in less than 15 minutes. And with HelloFresh, eating well in the new year can be stress-free and delicious. With over 35 weekly recipes, they have options you're looking for to help you achieve your goals, ranging from calorie smart, carb smart, vegetarian options, and so much more. Entering the new year, everybody wants to save more money, and HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and 25% cheaper than takeout. Why order pork when I can make my own? So do yourself a favor and kick off the new year the right way. Click the link in my description and go to HelloFresh.com and use code Chiseled21 for 21 free meals plus free shipping only at HelloFresh. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Next up, we got Seco taking on Malik Ogun. Malik Ogun looks like he uses his gym membership 6 times per day, and if he knows how to activate his dreadlock powers, Seco might be in trouble.
I hope you black men were paying attention.
What are you gonna do now, big boy?
Come here!
Almighty push.
Seco's glutes touch the ground, but I'm not sure if this would be counted as a knockdown one way or another. That brother getting pieced up. Malik Ogun throwing more hands than a disgruntled amputee denying prosthetics.
Who wanna go 12 rounds with the prince?
Some of them going to sleep. Fuck that!
Duck and weaving, King Kong and these haters.
Look at the face on Malik Ogun. If that's not the face of a brother who was built to knock a motherfucker out, I don't know what is. Seco's lost his equilibrium. Look at his failure to get his hands up to react in time. Legend has it his soul was trying to pull his ponytail to escape a fatality, but was too late. Call him Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. That brother free falling into the shadow realm. On the ground looking like an unused action figure.
Where the ambulance? Why the man body still right there?
ain't supposed to be laying
Call the
there.
damn ambulance!
Oh, fucking do it again.
Next up, Terrifier taking on Brickhouse. Terrifier looks like an overweight Anthony Joshua, and Brickhouse looks like a discount top dollar from Hit Row in WWE. Nevertheless, one of these heavyweights is going to sleep.
You bastard!
So far, it appears that Brickhouse has the edge. 2 faint jabs got Terrifier dancing. But after he took off his tap shoes, he learned TM31. Brick break, down goes Brick House. Shades of a Hitmonchan hit that brother square on the chin, put him straight to sleep. His face got hit so hard his love handles twerked before he headed into the Shadow Realm. Mans fell down like Building 7 during the Bush administration. Terrifier hit the factory reset button. Get customer service on the phone. That brother's gonna need an update.
Order ambulance, pick up your people.
This is Game and Watch.
And last but not least, Ellis takes on Vice Grip. In a battle between two senior citizens, 401ks and Roth IRAs are on the line. Winner gets to claim the loser's children on their tax return. Vice Grip with the first connection of the battle. Ellis would try to strike back with a series of civil right hands, but the Blue Eyes white privilege is too strong.
Learn your history, boy.
Once upon a time, Martin Luther King had a dream, but Vice Grip hasn't been asleep since 1957. Ellis throwing all kinds of hands, hoping one will connect.
Why I oughta.
Vice Grip sent Ellis to Ellis Island.
That white fever.
You thought the fight was over? Ellis as resilient as his ancestors, throwing all kinds of civil rights and lefts. Vice Grip is getting tired. All I know is at the conclusion of this fight, both gentlemen gonna need a Sinzu bean or they might not see their grandchildren this Thanksgiving. Both gentlemen trying to get momentum to swing in their favor. Right hand from Ellis lands flush. Vice Grip is swinging, but he's hitting all glove. The Great White Hope is tiring out. Big right hand from Ellis. Vice Grip's got him in a headlock.
Foul, foul.
Both gentlemen would have to reset, and we've reached the final period. Which Grizzly vet will stand strong? It appears Ellis has activated his Zenkai boost. The longer the fight's gone on, the stronger he's gotten. He put his glove in his mouth. Vice Grip nearly deep-throated man's hands. Huge right hand from Ellis. Vice Grip is in danger.
I guess not.
Both men exchange strong right hands. The ref would have to separate them once more.
Now for the finishing move.
Unlock! Unlock! Some of them going to sleep. For God!
Ellis channeled his inner Dr. Umar Johnson, unlocked his superpowers, and hit Vice Grip with a left hand and sent that man straight into the afterlife. Get the caution tape and the chalk. Send that man to the mortician.
Call a doctor. No, call a coroner.
Old man got put to sleep from the east to the west. Back to the east. Back to the west. Where's Nurse Joy when you need him? Take that man to the Pokemon Center. He's gonna need a medic. Somebody please go to goddamn EMT.
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake! Eat a dick, old man!
You better have insurance, ass-whooping insurance, and you about to pay a deductible.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.